This furnace is a modulating train furnace. Down here, there is water in the blower motor. There's no leaks or anywhere in here. The condensation is pretty snug. It's only 3 years old. There's your condensation. That is your drain to your coil. So this is a case coil. In a case coil, I can open it up and have a look. And then I found out that if I take this out, the coil is clogged. It's got a bunch of debris in it, which means that it overflowed and the water was seeping through the furnace, and it goes through the heat exchanger right down into the blower motor, and that's what caused the malfunction to the board, which I just replaced because it had some corrosion on it. So easily fixable if this was maintained, but it wasn't. So this is what we're dealing with. Easy fix. It's still under warranty, so the customer is not out any money. But please give us a call for any type of service, especially for things like this.